Question 4 offers us a rather wordy question. It comes down to the fact that we've got to fill 4 tanks, and we're given the dimensions of those tanks, with a mixture of fertiliser and water. And we're told that the fertiliser has to be mixed with water in the ratio of 1 to 100. So that will give us 101 parts, by the way. And she's got 32 litres of fertiliser. We're given the fact that a litre occupies 1,000 cubic centimetres, and we're asked, has she got enough fertiliser? So first of all, I think you've got to work out the volume of these 4 tanks. Well, it's going to be 4 multiplied by, the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared multiplied by h. We're given the diameter, so the radius is 40. So this is 4 multiplied by 40 squared multiplied by 160 multiplied by pi. And if you work that out on a calculator, you get 3216990.877 centimetres cubed. So now we've got a volume, we can work out the number of litres, which is this number divided by 1,000. Now a slightly tricky bit. If we're going to mix the fluid in the ratio of 1 to 100, so to create the mixture we add 1 litre of fertiliser to 100 litres of water. So we've actually got 101 litres of the mixture. So to find out whether we've got enough fertiliser, we have to divide our total fluid that we require by 101. And this is equal to 31.85. And this is of fertiliser, which is less than what she's got, so she's okay. And that's your answer.